Here today, YouTube, what we have here is a T-Mobile iPhone 5S that is currently blocked. As you see, we are here on the T-Mobile Imei check status. Not changing the Imei whatsoever. So this is a part 1, as we have part 2 coming once services actually clear off. Then we'll post part 2 up under the description. But as you can see here, we're going to click submit to show you that this device is currently blocked. In which we're not changing the Imeis whatsoever, which will also show you that this is definitely a blocked device. Show you here on Swappa as well. We'll just go ahead and paste the same Imei. Device is blocked, as you can see. So by the time we get done, we'll go back over everything and show you that everything is definitely cleared off. So tune in and subscribe to watch our part 2 as well.